Hey guys, today I'm going to make a ground goat burger. So let's get toasting. I have some ground goat here that I bought at Grocery Outlet. This was $7.99 a pound, and I had never tried ground goat before. It didn't really sound that appetizing to me at first, so I bought one package, I don't know, a month or so ago, and I tried it out, and I actually like it. It's got a pretty mild flavor. It's like you could really use this for in anything you use ground beef for. So anyway, I had another package. That's like about 1/3 of a pound of this ground goat meat here that I put in my 10-inch cast iron skillet. I'm going to cook this in my toaster oven. So I'm just going to season it up with this kosher salt. It's kind of damp, so my salt's not coming out too good, but we'll do the best we can here. Season up with that kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And we'll get this into my toaster oven. I have the oven rack in the middle, and I'm going to use the air fry setting, which is 425 degrees Fahrenheit on this oven. If your oven doesn't have air fry setting, just use bake. And I'm just going to let that burger cook through. It's been 12 minutes. Let's see how this is doing. I think that's done. Alright, let's put a burger together. These buns I got are called Ballpark Everything buns. On top of them they have sesame seeds, poppy seeds, garlic, and onion. I've never tried these before, so I thought I'd try those out. So I put a little mayonnaise on both sides of the bun there, a romaine lettuce leaf, and we'll put the burger on top of that. And then I have some red onion here, a red onion slice. We'll put that on there, and we'll put one of these dill pickle slices. That's a great big old dill pickle. Put that on top of there. And last night I had one of these for dinner, and I ate it just like this with just the mayonnaise, but I thought maybe it could use a little sweetness. So I thought maybe some Thousand Island dressing might be good, but I have some Kinder's mild barbecue sauce. Oops, if I open it up here. I didn't have any, like I said, didn't have any Thousand Island dressing, so I'll put some Kinder's mild barbecue sauce on there. See how that is. And we'll top it off with that. There we go. It's not a bad looking burger. I think I'm going to have to smush this down a little bit more so I can get my mouth around it here. Alright, let's try it out. That's a good burger right there. Actually, the barbecue sauce adds a lot to it. I like it better with the barbecue sauce. Let's see what Annie thinks. Want to try some goat meat, Annie? What do you think? There you go. Well, she inhaled it. She liked that. So like I said, the first time I tried ground goat, it didn't sound very appetizing, but it has a nice mild flavor. I like it a lot. It makes good burgers. I mean, it's one of those things, don't knock it if you haven't tried it. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.